Here I have a container. In the container, I have an apple. I have an apple in the container. Welcome to English with English, where we explore English through examples for real-life understanding. Whether you're a beginning learner or an intermediate speaker, join me to immerse yourself in English for natural learning. Welcome everyone. The preposition in has many uses. In this video, we're going to take a look at the most basic meaning, which is the concept of the apple is in the container. We're also going to look at the most popular breakfast food in America, cereal. This video is basic English and it's mainly for beginning learners and intermediate speakers. Advanced learners also might find some of the vocabulary to be useful. There are also lots of practice exercises for you to practice speaking, a very important step when learning a language. Next, we're going to do some review vocabulary, and then we'll move on to the rapid examples. Here we go. The ball is on the table. This is a shelf. These are shelves. This is one shelf. These are two shelves. These are three shelves. The balcony has a woman on it. This is a balcony. These are balconies. The camel has riders on it. The camels have riders on them. The motorcycle has a rider on it. The motorcycles have riders on them. This is a bowl. These are bowls. These are two boxes of cereal. Captain Crunch cereal and Reese's Puffs cereal. This is cereal. This is cereal. This is cereal. This is a red barn. This is a red barn. This is a brown barn. How do you make cereal? You put bran in a bowl. You put salt in the bowl. You add liquid. You mix it up. You put the mixture in the oven. You bake it. You take it out of the oven. You break it up. You pour milk on it and you eat it. Most people do not make cereal. They buy it at the grocery store. This is a grocery store. This is a grocery store. This is a grocery store. This is cereal in a grocery store. This boy has cereal in a bag. He's pouring the cereal into the bowl. He's pouring milk into the bowl. He's eating his cereal. This man is pouring cereal into the bowl. He's pouring milk into the bowl. He's eating his cereal. This kitten's name is Bella. Bella's in the box. What a cute kitty. The cat's in the box. The kitten's in the box. The kittens are in the basket. The kitten's in the bag. The cat's in the box. The dachshund's in the box. The puppies are in the box. The dog is in the doghouse. The dog is in the doghouse. The dog is in the doghouse. The horse is in the barn. The horse is in the barn. The horse is in the barn. Okay, that was the first set of rapid examples. Next, we're going to practice those. I'll give you the words and I want you to say the sentence. So if I say kitten, box, I want you to say the kitten is in the box. Here we go. Kitten, box. The kitten is in the box. Cat, box. The cat is in the box. Kitten, box. The kitten is in the box. Kitten's basket. The kittens are in the basket. Kitten, bag. The kitten is in the bag. Cat, box. The cat is in the box. Dachshund, box. The dachshund is in the box. Puppies, box. The puppies are in the box. Dog, doghouse. The dog is in the doghouse. Dog, doghouse. The dog is in the doghouse. Dog, doghouse. The dog is in the doghouse. Horse barn. The horse is in the barn. Horse barn. The horse is in the barn. Horse barn. The horse is in the barn. Okay, how was that? Were you able to get all of the sentences? If not, you can always go back and review again. But if you're ready, let's continue to the next set of examples. These are mainly about cereal. If you're ready, move on to the next set of listening examples. Here we go. The satsumas are in the bowl. The cereal's in the bowl. The cereal's in the bowl. The cereal's in the bowl. The ramen is in the bowl. The cereal's in the bowl. The pig's in the water. The pig's in the water. Okay, that was the second set of rapid examples. Now we're going to practice them. And again, I will give you 2 words and I want you to make the sentences. Okay? Here we go. Satsuma's bowl. The satsumas are in the bowl. Cereal bowl. The cereal's in the bowl. Cereal bowl. The cereal's in the bowl. Ramen bowl. The ramen's in the bowl. Cereal bowl. The cereal's in the bowl. Pig water. The pig's in the water. Pig water. The pig's in the water. Okay, great. You made it to the end of this video. I hope you mastered all of the examples and this basic meaning of in. If you're having trouble with something or you have a question, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I will take a look at it and answer the best I can. Also, if you have an idea for a video that you would like to help you with English, leave that in the comments too. In the next video, we'll continue with this series on mastering the prepositions in, at, and on. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. It really helps. I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.